In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to pack for efficient traveling. We're getting ready to travel to Cancun for a 5-day trip. And we like to travel really light, efficient, and best of all, just a carry-on bag. Because we like carry-on bag because, well, first of all, it never is out of your sight. You don't have to drop it off and then it gets carry on underneath the airplane and possibly get lost, right? It's always with you, okay? So we're traveling with American Airlines. American Airlines, their carry-on is 22 by 14 by 9 inch. So this is perfectly, this is about 14 by 22, I believe. And if it's, even though it's too big, you can always, you see how it's bendable? You can shrink it down, take out less stuff. And I'll go over that with you later on the way back. You have a little trip for you to show you how to get more stuff back. I got this pillow, head pillow. You can stuff like dirty underwears or whatever underneath, dirty pants in here, make more room for you to put souvenirs, t-shirts, wherever you buy down, wherever you're traveling. Okay, so first of all, here I got 7 pants. Again, we're gonna be there 5 days, about 6 days, right? 6 days, you include travel in it. 5 days, 7 days worth of pants, because you never know, you have accidents, spill. Same thing with undies, 7 days, guys, just in case, worst case scenario, right? And here I got 9 shirts, 2 PJs. Again, this is 2 PJs and 7 nice shirts. One for dress. You gotta have some polos, right? Some polos, some V-necks. You gotta have them V-necks because you're down there and you get hot, you know, you cool down a little bit. And then 7 pants, some dress pants. You got some dress pants, swimming trunks. That's all you need, guys. Okay, I show you the neck pillow. Okay, the little trick. You can even fill it up if you want on the way there. You can sleep. It's a water shoe. You're going to water park, beach. We're going to Zahe water park. Gotta check that video out. We're gonna make a cool video on that. But you gotta have water shoes. These will protect your feet. Our kids had accidents before on the beach, get cut from rocks, seashells. Battery, 10 mAh battery, guys. You gotta have that. Of course, your phone. You got your waterproof. Put your phone in. These are very handy. You can get these for $5-10 bucks, guys. Cheap. Personal bag to carry on. I like mine, a little tiny bag like this. I carry all my little accessory stuff, whatever, my phone, my camera, and then that shoe here. Check this bag out, guys. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. This bag has a little spot where you can put your shoes in. Look at that, guys. Put shoes, whatever, it just goes in like that. Look at that. See that? And your sandals, flip backward like this. Okay, so you can actually have 3 pair. 1 pair you're wearing, 2 if you want. But I usually just carry a shoe and sandals. That's all. Okay. Now, once I put all this in, guys, if I still have room, I'll bring my drone too. Drone can be my personal carry-on. No, I'm sorry, my personal bag. Okay. So again, American Airlines, nice. They give you 2, a carry-on and a personal. So let's see if all this stuff fits in here, guys. So I got my shoes in here. Now, first gonna do my shirt, right? So how do I fold? Oh, I forgot to mention. This is clothes I'm gonna wear tomorrow because on the airplane it gets chilly, very chilly, especially when you're 20, 30,000 in the air, right? At latitude up there. You want to get yourself a nice hoodie or whatever. I prefer hoodie because you put this mask on, which I'm gonna bring, put your hoodie across your head, and you're in your own little world. You fall asleep. And some earplugs, guys. Bring some earplugs like I got here, guys. Look at this. A couple earplugs. Even especially you have roommates too. If you're going with kids or wife or wherever, they all snore or they do whatever, you know, they go to bed later than you. These come in handy, guys. Very handy. Okay, so I just fold this up like this. First, of course, you line all your shirts really nice and neat. Okay. And you just stuff that stuff in here, guys. Look at this bag. This bag has so many space. Oh my goodness. Okay. So here you go. So I'm gonna open this here. This is a brand new bag, guys. We just got this, and that's why I'm kind of doing a review too. This brand is by Lebanon Mars, okay, on Amazon. It's sold out right now, but we're able to get 2 of them, and it's very nice, guys. You see all this? Okay, then put my shorts in there. Look at that. Fits perfectly. And my undies. Okay. You see that? It fits everything in here, guys. Nice. Again, very nice bag. And on the way back, you know, I brought some Ziploc bags. You gotta have Ziploc bags. Dirty underwear, wet swimming trunks, swimsuits, whatever. I recommend bringing these 2, okay? So you put that in here. Okay, just like that. And everything else you put in your personal bag. Like this is all my battery, all my personal, my cameras, everything goes in here, guys. Okay. So that's about it, guys. Okay. Always have your personal utensil. Remember, you can't have scissors longer than what? Is it 1.5 inches or something like that, right? So make sure if you bring personal scissors, it's very like this size, okay? But yeah, other than that, guys, I recommend, look, this is the wife. This is hers. And this is mine. See that? How we're able to pack everything. Now, again, I have personal and carry-on, so I got a drone. I'm debating, should I bring my drone or should I bring this? If I can bring that bag, which I can, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and bring the drone, move all this stuff into this bag. Let me show you. Oh, I forgot my water shooter. I won't have any problem. The water shooter can just goes in there, guys. Okay. See that? That's the drone bag. We'll probably leave the camera, but bring the drone. Let me zip this all up for you guys here. Yeah, you can get one of these. We pay probably 20 bucks, guys, for this on Amazon. And they got different brands, different size. See how it zip up? That nice zipper. Okay. Again, this is where you put your shoes. I'm gonna put my water shoes in here. And we got our kids, the whole family actually, we're all going to the water park, the Zehe water park, and we all got water shoes because you're gonna pretty much be there all day walking around everything, okay? So, all right, let's put this on. We used to have a luggage one where you pop up and kind of pull. It was nice, but bad thing about those guys is you got that bar. You have a sample of yours, Audrey? You got that bar. Want to go grab that? And you lose a lot of, see that? Look at this. Comfortable. I feel secure. It's kind of heavy with all the stuff you have, but I'll show you this one here. This is what we used to use. It looks bigger, but you can't hold that much because see this bar right here, this handle? Once you take it out, guys, that bar takes up about this much room, so it leaves you with not much space. Okay. So this is how we travel. So I just want to share with you and show you what we upgrade from going from this to this new style limo luggage. Okay, so enjoy. We'll see you in the next video and check out our soon to vacation videos. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.